Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install JDownloader 2 in your computer in a very simple way. It automatically downloads files from any file hosting website. It's very simple to do. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply search here JDownloader 2. You can see, and then you have to go for their official website jdownloader.org. If you go there, you're going to click on the Windows and you're going to get the first one, download installer. So after that, it is going to show you a mega cloud storage option, and from here you can simply download it. You can save the mega. Okay, so it's now showing the cloud storage, but I don't need the clouds one. On that occasion, what I can do, I can simply move to the downloads option, and from here I can simply select download installer, and here you can see the download has came in, and now I can simply see that the installation begin and it's downloaded. Now you can simply click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, and now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. Before that, you can simply see Windows protected your PC, so run anyway, close everything. There will be permission, click yes, minimize. So as you can see right now, the installation is completed. Now it will going to, so this is the way you can simply download it. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, the downloader is showing. Click on next, and this is the way you can simply download it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.